If you need a more comprehensive report, we can prepare what's known as a broker price opinion for you. This is a lending industry standard that's used in banks and lenders when they are looking for a market value of the property. This is just shortened of an appraisal, but it's very similar to one in the way that it organizes the information. It takes the subject property and compares it with 3 active listings as well as 3 recently sold properties, making adjustments for the varying characteristics between the properties. For example, if one property has a garage and the other does not, there'll be an adjustment to that price, and that'll be reflected on the report. The net result for you is you will have an as-is value for the property as well as an estimated repair value with estimated repair costs, and you'll also receive the printouts of the comparable properties that were used as well as their photos and any other information that we can glean from the MLS in preparing that for you. As I said, it's a lending industry standard, and it provides all the information that we're already sending you in a very comprehensive report. I hope you find it useful.